That's the reality we want to walk into, step into, and begin to embrace. So I would like to do a little guided meditation with you right now to walk out of that cave into the light. If you'd like to do this with me, I invite you to do this with me. I think Hudson's got a little background music for us. It'll set the tone. So if you would just sit back, relax, close your eyes. Take some nice deep breaths. Relax your body, feeling your heart center, that love and feeling of safety and oneness right there, right inside in your heart center. Breathe into that for a moment. And now bring to mind your current experience, your current life. You know, not the thing that you want to have, or the thing that you're working towards, but your current experience. Just bring it to mind, all the areas of your life. And some of those areas might indeed reflect an expansive awareness. It might reflect that world of light. If so, yay, acknowledge yourself for that. You've been able to open in that area. Yay. But look at some of the other areas of your life that may feel a little more constricted, that may feel a little more painful, that may not be reflective of that light. So areas of your life like relationships, physical health and well-being, your finances, mental and emotional well-being, your level of inner peace. And so if you are seeing any of those areas, there might be one or two that are not fully open and reflective of this reality of wholeness and oneness. I just invite you to see it as a shadow reflected on the wall. Just see it right now as a shadow reflected on a dark cave wall. Remember, all shadows are reflections of fearful thinking or just mistaken thinking. You know, as I've said here many times, all form and experience has its origins in mind, in consciousness. That's where it all starts, in consciousness. So just look at that for a moment. Breathe. Keep breathing. And now imagine that some divine angelic being, a divine guide, an angelic being, whatever it is for you, is coming into this cave where you are, is greeting you. Take a moment to see what that angelic or divine guide looks like. It's just a vibration of unconditional love for you. Just unconditional love. Embracing the totality of you. And feel this guide or this angelic being just gently releasing any chains that might be there, letting those go, and telling you that there is a world a bright, beautiful, expansive reality where there's freedom and joy and omnipresent good and omnipresent love and wholeness and well-being and loving relationships and infinite peace. And you maybe don't know yet at first. Maybe there's a little doubt in there. Maybe there's oh, well, I can see that in these other areas of my life, but in this one, maybe not. Hard for me to see it in there. Just, again, breathe through that. Breathe through that but. Leave that but behind. And just trust. Just trust. And take this angelic being's hand and let him or her or it walk you out of the cave. And you're feeling the warmth of the sun, and your eyes still haven't adjusted. Give them time to adjust. And when they're adjusted, you look around and you see this world of expansive good, that everything this being has been telling you is true. Omnipresent love, omnipresent good, omnipresent joy, wholeness, well-being. It's right here. You breathe it in, breathe it in. Say yes to it. Yes, yes. I accept this. I accept this. I'm ready to leave those shadows behind now. I am ready to leave the shadow behind. And I make a choice right now. I make a choice to accept this. And when I forget, when I see a shadow, I'm just going to remember that that's just a reflection. It's just a reflection of some fear or misguided thinking. It's okay, it's just temporary. It's just a temporary manifestation. I am grounded and open to the reality of infinite, limitless love, a wholeness, abundance, well-being, infinite good. That's what I choose. And just have a little bow of gratitude to this divine being, your guide. Breathing in this new expansive reality. You say, thank you, and so it is. When you're ready, open your eyes, stretch a little bit.